Hello, Hotterfly. Welcome to my closet. Come.
Welcome to another episode of HF Raids and I am Jasween Kaur and guess who is with me today? कोई guesses हैं? Sai!
Yes!
Sai Tamhankar is here with us today and हम इनके बहुत ही beautiful, काफी theatrical से closet में घुस चुके हैं। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं कोई बहुत धर्मा फिल्म में आ गई हूँ and ये पू का कमरा है and it's giving me that energy. So first of all, tell me what was the story behind this closet?
The story is very simple. Sometimes you do trials and you click pictures and you have a mess behind you. I just wanted to अंदर क्या है आपको अभी पता नहीं चल रहा है, बाहर से बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है तो इसके अंदर पूरी गड़बड़ इसके अंदर है असल में. But there are a lot of stories, so I'm sure you'll have fun.
So let's start with your first.
Sure.
Let's start. चलो guys.
This is my denim, garam kapde, shirts, jackets, jewelry and crop top section.
Okay.
ये मेरे fits हैं. Loose, baggy, always.
Oversize या?
Oversized.
तो what is this special love for shirts? पहले मुझे आप ये बताओ.
बहुत कम shirts को इस्त्री करनी पड़ती है. Save time.
Yeah.
This is from IFA.
Oh, which
This is
year?
my IFA outfit. The year I won the award, I think last year. I don't remember. This is like a crop
This
top
is so
and
cute.
I wore a skirt. तो मैंने ये as a memory, and the designer was also very kind to give it to me. ये साइशा शिंदे का है.
Oh,
and
Saisha
Shinde. Yes, she agreed to give it to me.
So tell me more about your closet and what is there inside. हम थोड़ा dig in करते हैं,
बिल्कुल
drawers
dig in
खोलते हैं.
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. ये सारी मेरी ज्वेलरी है, अलग अलग जगह से सोर्स की हुई चीज़ें हैं. कोहर आई रियली लाइक दिस ब्रांड. आई रियली लाइक दैट जूल्स. तो कोहर की बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी मेरे पास है. ओके, दिस इज अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम अ फ्रेंड व्हिच सेज साया. आई एम फॉन्डली कॉल्ड साया एट माई हाउस. या जूरी, अमेजिंग ईयरिंग.
Oh,
क है और एक फ है.
So basically when you just don't want to tell people anything, you just wear these earrings and be like, okay, bye.
I really like these. Okay, so this brand I really want to talk about. This is my colleagues / friends brand. It's called Prajakta Raj. वो भी अपने आप में बहुत फेमस अदाकारा है, प्राजक्ता माड़ी. और उनकी स्पेशलिटी है महाराष्ट्रियन जूल्स, like traditional Maharashtrian jewels. Okay, I'm going to show you two more of my favorite pieces. This is Sheetal Zaveri. This is very pretty. See, it's a multi-purpose piece. Like you can just throw it off with a white shirt or a black top or anything.
Or with an ethnic
actually.
look also.
Yeah.
Fusion.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so beautiful.
That's
So
also Sheetal Zaveri.
You have a thing for like maybe
I like statement pieces.
हाँ.
तो हाँ, मुझे
few
ऐसे birds और animals
Yeah,
बहुत पसंद
पसंद
है.
है.
हाँ. एक कहावत है ना कि jeans, denims आप कितनी भी ले लो, कम ही है,
हाँ.
कम ही है.
बनी
So,
कितना भी खरीद लो, कम
कम
पड़
ही है.
ही
So
जाता
this is
है.
my recent buy. I really
Oh.
like it. It has a little bit of sparkle. It's from Zara. Yeah, you can team this up with literally anything.
It's like a weekend, maybe like a
हाँ.
heading to the club or something.
Yes. मेरे पास कई कपड़े ऐसे भी हैं जो 15 साल पुराने हैं, 20 साल पुराने हैं. I've kept them.
Do you have like emotional attachment?
हाँ, ये शर्ट आराम से 15 साल पुरानी है.
Oh my god. And this looks like आपने ये थोड़ा बॉबी से इंस्पायर्ड होके कुछ पोल्का उठाया.
Polka dots I really like.
Yeah.
और ये नॉन सिमेट्रिकल शर्ट है. मतलब पता नहीं, this piece has not gone out of fashion for some reason. It's been bloody 15 years.
Yeah.
And I love this shirt. I just can't get rid of it. This is a dress that I got. ये आप white shirt के साथ या black overalls के साथ पहन सकते हैं. It's a very, even with a bikini also you can
You
wear
can style
this.
it, yeah. Good resort wear.
Again, so I have a thing for multi-purpose pieces.
Okay.
मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक गारमेंट का प्रयोग बहुत तरह से होना चाहिए.
अब थोड़ा सा इधर आते हैं हम लोग. तो ये वाला खोले. बिल्कुल.
Please do the honors.
थोड़ा ड्रामेटिक सा करते हैं.
So this section is essentially for Indian wear.
Okay.
And again some shirts.
Again more shirts.
So I have एक ही कलर है, लेंथ डिफरेंट है. एक ही कलर है, मटेरियल अलग है. This is a jacket, yes. But white. Different
material, different shade of white also. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't judge me, guys.
No. This is spectacular.
Okay, this is
unique.
This is again like some 12-13 years old. I have gotten it stitched. It's made. It has pockets and it's a brilliant piece. इसको सामने से cut है, so it's really glam also, but casual at the same time.
And also it has pockets. Yeah. So the luxury girls feel.
Yeah. I love pockets.
I know. Same. Okay, so what's this?
This is another interesting piece. It's a kaftan.
Are you into kaftans?
Not much, but I really, it's a statement piece.
Yeah, it is actually. I love the borders. It's very nice. तो इसमें से ऐसे कोई है स्पेशल जो अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि सही मैं घर लेके जा रही हूँ आप नहीं दोगे? आप बोलेंगे no Jasleen go back home.
ये है.
Okay, wow. What's that?
So this was my wedding sari. Wedding sari. Sabyasachi की wedding sari थी और I did not want to get rid of the sari. ऐसी नाजुक साड़ियाँ ना रख के भी बहुत खराब हो जाती है और हमारी सिटी का वेदर भी ऐसा है कि कपड़े बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी मॉइस्चर पकड़ लेते हैं. So I thought I would turn it into a churidar.
But this is an interesting idea.
Yeah.
And have you worn it after that?
Multiple times.
Really?
Yes.
Okay,
and
we'll insert pictures.
This is one piece of kapda that I don't mind repeating. It's really special.
It's special, definitely. And it's very pretty. मतलब ये idea बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, guys. Really. But you tell me what is this? This is very interesting.
Yeah. So this was a dress.
Oh.
I turned it into a high-waisted skirt.
And where did you get this from?
Bandra, Linking Road.
Okay, we have a member from the Hill Road community. We love shopping there.
Yes.
How often do you go there और कि आप जाते हो?
मैं जब जाती हूँ तो बहुत एक लंबा आराम से एक ट्रिप मार के आती हूँ, बट बहुत रेयरली जाती हूँ, बट जाती हूँ तब मैं ये सब.
फिर आप कपड़े उठाते हो कि जूती ज़्यादा उठाते हो?
दोनों.
And do you go to लोखंड वाला also?
Of course. Yes. Okay. I love pouches.
Oh.
And I love these things like. I love these things. I keep collecting them. No matter मेरे पास अगर 50 किलो भी ये होगा तो भी और खरीदूंगी.
तो ये कि आपके आप मुझे लगता है बहुत ट्रैवल किट्स बहुत ज़्यादा है आपके पास.
हाँ, और क्योंकि मैं ट्रैवल बहुत ज़्यादा करती हूँ, ऑन द गो मेरा एक बैग हमेशा रेडी होता है जो उठा के चल दी है, ऐसा सेटिंग होता है मेरा. सो ये तो होता ही है. एंड आई लव pouches.
She has an obsession for pouches. It looks like.
So I like things like these.
That's so cute.
Yeah. और ये ना मतलब as you travel, as you go visit places, ये आ जाते हैं butterflies.
You have a thing for like very symbolic.
जी छोटी cute चीजें. And this is my utility pouch.
Okay.
While I travel, this is very important. This has all the miniatures in this.
हर चीज का मिनी वर्जन.
Miniature spray, miniature dry shampoo, miniature
makeup
fixer. Yeah.
Also मुझे एक चीज पूछनी थी सही, मैं तब से नोटिस कर रही हूँ आपकी टी-शर्ट बहुत थोड़ी सी इंटरेस्टिंग सी लग रही है मुझे.
Yeah, it says Madam S. How do you like the name?
I love the name. So that's what it's very quirky. So
that's
what is the story?
Brand.
You started your own brand?
Like my merchandise.
Oh.
And the brand is called Madam S.
Okay.
Yeah. And there are a few more designs.
Can we see that?
Yeah, sure. If you're interested, I'll show you. Okay, यहाँ पे crew में बहुत सारे महाराष्ट्रियन लोग हैं. उनको ये समझेगा, आपको मैं समझा दूँगी. चला.
I know.
Chala. But how I see it when I say chala, come, let's bring the house down.
Okay.
Chala. Then there is this. It says our daily budget.
Oh, okay.
It means
Out of budget.
no.
No.
If you want it, make it happen.
Oh.
मतलब जो चीज़ अच्छी लगेगी वो अपना बजट,
Okay.
ये इसका मीनिंग है.
चलो अब हम थोड़ा उस साइड जाएं क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा intrigued हूँ.
Sure.
What is there? Okay, तो अभी मुझे सही ने बताया है कि she loves to thrift and she has an entire bag collection.
जी हाँ, thrifted bags.
Which is so cool. तो जल्दी दिखाओ मुझे क्या क्या है.
मुझे ऐसे बैग्स बहुत पसंद है.
Tote bags, yeah.
जी हाँ. और I like cats. This is a nice.
Oh.
It's from Amazon. Okay, this belt I've had since I was in college. It's a very bloody cool belt.
Oh my
It
god.
goes like this. You can adjust it. You can wear it on anything. और इसमें सब आता है, आपके चिल्लर, आपका कैश, कार्ड.
ये कोई मेकअप आर्टिस्ट भी पहन सकता है इसको.
हाँ जी.
Oh my god.
I really like this.
But this is actually very cool. और ये one of a piece है.
And I think this was thrifted from Bandra.
So guys, इसलिए बैंड्रा जाओ, ऐसे यूनिक जेम्स मिलते हैं वहाँ
जी
पे.
जी जी बिल्कुल. This is another bag.
Okay.
जो मैंने थ्रिफ्ट किया था उसी से. What the fuss?
ये पॉम-पॉम से कितने क्यूट है. Oh my god.
This is another bag that I have thrifted from Goa. वो इतनी बार धुल चुकी है और फेड हो चुकी है, but I can't let this go.
But it's actually very cool.
Yeah. So these are my thrift bags.
That's very cute. Also मुझे एक बात बताओ. मैंने आपके ना देखा है क्लोजेट में कोई बैठा है. और क्लोजेट में ही नहीं, मैं जहाँ जा रही हूँ मेरे साथ आ रहे हैं. तो ये क्या जीजू है?
इनकी शक्ल याद रखना, ये आप सबकी जीजाजी है, महाराष्ट्र की दाजी है, किसी की भौजी है, यही है वो बस.
तो अब हम जाते थोड़ा उस साइड. क्या है?
My favorite side.
ओके सो गाइज, अब हम इस साइड आ गए हैं सही के पूरे वॉकिंग क्लोजेट के. एंड द इंटायर थिंग दैट यू सी, द इंटायर मिरर इज एक्चुअली फिल्ड विथ हर शूज. एंड सही प्लीज थोड़ा
Should
सा.
I?
या थोड़ा सा. Oh my god. Okay.
These are really again old chappals that I had bought from Lokhandwala, I think. I don't remember which shop, but they have ghungroos.
That's very cute. These Kolhapuris are actually cute. And do you also have like an obsession for shoes?
I mean, sort of. It's a
है
very
ना?
big part of my profession, right? So I can't stop myself from buying a nice piece, whenever
definitely.
I see. These are Zara,
Okay.
black and
Love
gold.
the black
Yeah.
and gold.
देखो अभी तक यूज भी नहीं किए, बताओ.
Debut हो गया है Multiply पे.
Oh, this is something I really love.
Oh, these are very cool.
These are flat boots. I got them from Turkey.
Okay.
Yeah. ये simple.
How do you wear them though? Like does
कुछ
it
नहीं,
stay?
बस चढ़ाने. हाँ.
Oh, they
Yeah.
stay.
So they come till here.
Okay.
So इसके grip से वो रह जाते.
You style it with skirts or maybe like denim
Yeah.
के साथ.
और a white shirt.
और जिसमें Okay, so guys, साई को सिर्फ शूज ही नहीं, सनग्लासेस का भी बहुत शौक है. And she has an entire drawer filled with them. So let's see.
Some are thrifted, some
Again,
are
wow.
branded. Yes. I'd like to start with this.
Okay.
This my friend has given like a gift. It's a gift.
These are very
These
cool
are very
गांधी जी
हाँ.
चश्मा.
और ये कोई विजय ऑप्टिकल्स में से हैं. So विजय ऑप्टिकल्स, थैंक यू फॉर दिस. और फिर ये हैं हमारे एयरपोर्ट सनग्लासेस.
उसके अलग हैं आपके पास.
क्यों, मैं बताऊंगी.
Okay.
ये पहनने के बाद आपको मेकअप नहीं करना पड़ता है.
Oh.
So these are my airport glasses.
These are very cool. And it's also a good hack.
This is Dolce and Gabbana, another airport sunglasses. Like sort of.
I love them.
Yeah.
I love them. And इसमें, oh, you have Miu Miu also.
Yes, there is Miu. This is my first Miu Miu ever.
Okay.
These are those classic round.
Yeah.
Yeah. ये बहुत पुराने हैं. इनको भी बहुत साल हो गए, like 15 साल.
Oh my god.
सब चीज़ को 15 साल हो गए.
That's lovely. That's lovely.
Okay, that's that.
Also सही, आपको पता है इस जो इंटायर शो का नाम है वो है HF Reads. तो I cannot leave you without reading something from your closet.
Sure. I would love to give you a T-shirt from my merch.
Okay.
Which says our Dil Pe Budget, because ये मेरी life की philosophy है. If you like it, well, make it happen.
That's super cool, and I think your fan, whoever gets this, is going to be very happy. And this is superb. Thank you so much for letting us invade your lovely theatrical wardrobe.
Thank you.
And
pleasure.
it was very fun.
Thank you.
Was
pleasure.
it fun for you?
Yes. We are going thrifting after this.
After this, for sure. That's my word to you.
Yay!
Okay? So till then, bye guys.
Bye guys.